Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to switch between portrait and landscape without rotating your phone on the iPhone 17 Air. So on the new iPhones, you have a new square sensor in the front camera, and the square sensor allows you to capture more of the field with this new sensor. So if we go to our Photos app, camera app, and rotate to the front camera like this, we have a new button on the bottom right here that we can tap to change, as you can see, the screen's ratio. So this one is square and this one is just a normal selfie camera. You can also zoom in and zoom out like that on both of the cameras, and this is basically how you take new photos. So you can take landscape and portrait without rotating your phone. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.